Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HAON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance easier to see. And I've been doing this one on a routine basis. In fact, did it yesterday, and that is where this green line here is coming from at 0004. And for those of you that have watched the past videos, not really sure I'm going to say anything new other than, hey, the power of charts. And you can see once again the price, the chart led to right where the buyers would be hanging out, and so far so good. 0004 is definitely where those buyers are hanging out. And why I would still say that from the big picture, the bulls do still have a chance. Now, they're definitely walking on thin ice, and the thin ice point is 0004, because when you stop and think about it, I'm not saying this will happen, but in the event the price does break through 0004 and worse yet separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back into the range where it already was before the breakout happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power in the long run are going to progress forward, right? Not go back to where they were. And I am defining quote unquote back to where it was as anything below 0004. So again, you got to give full credit to the bulls. So far, so good. The price is doing a great job of holding up there above 0004. But that's definitely what I would consider the thin ice point for the reason just as Gus discussed. If the price does fall below it, then that's literally putting the price back to where it all started, and that's not exactly a sign of true strength. However, on the flip side of things, and the reason why I would still call this chart bullish from the big picture is, let's say it bounces around here a few more times and then starts to work its way back upwards. In that event, what would you have emphasis on the word big picture? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. You picture these as stair steps, and the overall, the big picture stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So yeah, the bulls need to step up. You need to bring their A game. They need to continue to hold 0004, but they have been doing it. And if they continue to do that, then they can build that overall stair step. So we'll see if they can get the job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.